You know what, if you take this, these are 3 concentric circle. In the year 20, and let us start off with a new product that has just been launched. I think all, at least I hope I get one soon, which is the Apple Watch. ठीक है, अभी Apple Watch launch हुआ. Apple Watch तो अभी 7 साल के बाद या 5 साल के बाद launch हुआ. 5 years back Samsung had launched a e-watch called Samsung Gear. After launching they have relaunched it 5 times, फिर भी succeed नहीं किया. Sony has launched a watch, वो succeed नहीं किया. सबने launch किया, they have not succeeded. So can I just take one guy, Samsung, and let's try and understand what they did. What did Samsung do? It started from here in the year 2011, around the time when Steve Jobs died. There was this huge buzz that was created in the market by Apple cult guys. Apple is launching a watch, Apple is launching a watch, and the whole world was waiting for Apple to launch the watch. Steve Jobs died. Now what did Samsung say? Samsung had a very clear equation. They said, I have chip manufacturing facility, मैं तो खुद बनाता हूँ, chip is here. Not only do I make chip, but I have manufacturing facility. I also have global reach, and plus I have money to advertise. So if I have chip, I have manufacturing facility, and I have international global reach and distribution, then let me launch a watch, people will buy my brand. What did all of us say? Forget it, yaar, I don't want to buy. Now take a look at what Apple did. And that is where you, and what Apple did is what you got to do in your business, and that is what I am doing in this workshop. What did Apple do? Apple did not come and tell you, ki, listen man, I have got this third party manufacturing system, I have got a global reach, so I am going to launch a watch और भी तुम लोग खरीदो. They didn't do it this way. What they did was the reverse. They went from inside outside. What did they do? And this is where you got to understand. Apple says our business is not watch business, not computer business, not handset business, nothing. We are in the business of enriching people's life. How do you enrich people's life? By giving you a memorable experience. So what did they do? They went inside outside. Now sir, the problem is not, ये तो क्या हो गया, it could sound like gimmicky. But the point is what? अगर हमारा दिमाग, everyone, human brain, if it was cut here and you took a top camera shot, what you will discover is human brain, which resides in all of us, has 3 layers, exactly like these 3 layers, exactly like this 3 layer. What are these layers called? You must understand, because it will give you an insight of what potentially you could be doing wrong, and you should change that. The first layer is called limbic. अंदर का जो है, this is called limbic, right? This is where, this is called limbic. The second layer is also called limbic, and the third layer is called neocortex, right? First layer is called limbic, second layer is called limbic, and the third layer is called neocortex. As we grew, as we evolved, the second limbic layer grew on top. In this second limbic layer, so यहाँ पे क्या है, behavior resides. In the second limbic layer, what resides is emotions. What in the second limbic layer, what resides is emotion. And the third layer, neocortex layer, is where 3 things reside. What are those 3 things? Rational thinking, analytical thinking, and our power of speech. So in this last layer, which is neocortex, resides 3 things: analytical thinking, rational thinking, and our power of speech, right? If you want to change people's behavior, people will not change their behavior because you want them to change. People will only change their behavior because they want to change their behavior. So what you have to do if you want to change people's behavior, if you want to change people's behavior permanently, then you have to appeal to their emotions. If you want to change people's behavior permanently, you have to appeal to their emotions. Once you appeal to their emotions, then give them rational reason why they should change. Now you take a look at Apple. What is Apple doing? Apple is asking you a very simple question. It is saying, do you want to change your, do you want a memorable experience? All of you say yes. Do you want memorable experience? All of you say yes. So, once they have touched your emotion and you say yes, then they give you a rational reason to buy Apple products, that this is my price, this is where I am available, do it. People are very selfish, me and you are very selfish. We will only change our behavior when the decisions we take is in our interest. Are you with me? So, when you want to touch people's heart, what you have to do? You have to touch their emotion. Once you touch their emotion, then you are likely to change behavior, and once behavior changes, then they are with you.